Here I have INFINIX Hot 4D Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly, you should select preferred language. Could be English for me. Tap next. And you should select preferred country or region. Could be United Kingdom. Tap next. And you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step and do this later. And you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there's no opened or trusted network around, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. And you should disable these switchers here. Set tick here. Tap next. Then you should disable these switchers. Tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. And you can transfer data from your previous device, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this anytime later, or just don't do this at all. Then you have system navigation. You can select buttons or gestures. I suggest that you use gestures. If you don't know how to do it, you can see gesture tutorial here. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.